All right, number 17, last one, we made it. We're going to go ahead and find the exact value for each of these. We're going to start by drawing a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And a 45, 45, 90. Again, feel free to pause this at any time if I'm going too fast for you. All right. We have so, ka, toa. Excuse me. All right, cosine. 30. So go over 30, 60, 90. Cosine is ka, adjacent over hypotenuse. So we're going to have x root 3 over 2x. Can we simplify? Sure can. Let's take these x's out. Now I'm left with root 3 over 2. Bam, you're done. There's your exact value. If you find that decimal value in the calculator and then you find the cosine of 30's decimal value, you'll see if they match. The tangent of 30. Tangent is toa, opposite over adjacent. So that is going to give us x over x root 3. Remember, this is a 1x on top. So again, x is simplified. So I'm left with 1 root 3. The problem is you cannot have a square root in the denominator. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to simplify this. I need a fraction that has a value of 1. That will not change the value, but get rid of that root. So I'm going to multiply by a fraction, root 3 over root 3. 1 times root 3, root 3. Root 3 times root 3 gives me 9 square rooted, which is 3. That is our value. So root 3 over 3 is the tangent of 30. The cosine of 60, ka, adjacent over hypotenuse, would give me 1x over 2x. Again, x's cancel, 1/2. The sine of 60. Sine is so, opposite over hypotenuse. X root 3 over 2x. Excuse me, guys, sorry. Simplify. Your x eliminate. You're left with root 3 over 2. It matches the answer above it. So cosine of 30 and sine of 60 are the same. Sine of 30. Sine, so, OH, opposite over hypotenuse. 1x over 2x. Simplify. You're left with 1/2. Look at that. That sine of 30 matches cosine of 60. Tangent of 60. Tangent is toa, OA. Opposite over adjacent. Simplify. You're just left with square root of 3. We're almost done, friends. Almost done. All right, the bottom 3 are going to use the triangle on the right-hand side, the 45, 45, 90. I'm going to change up my color over here. Go blue. Sine of 45. They're both 45. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and use this top angle. Sine is so, OH, so opposite over hypotenuse. Simplify. You can't have a root at the bottom. So we're going to do the same thing we did on the other problem. We're going to multiply by a fraction that has a value of 1, but also eliminates my roots. 1 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Square rooted is 2. So that is the value that we're going to have. Root 2 over 2. The tangent of 45 is toa, opposite over adjacent. So you have a value of 1. Last one, and we're done. Cosine of 45. Cosine is ka, AH, adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent side is x. Our hypotenuse value is x root 2. So we would have 1 over the square root of 2, which is the exact same thing we had for the sine of 45. So we will have root 2 over 2. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'll try to get back to you on Tuesday morning. Or if you're in the building, come down to my homeroom in 35 to ask questions.